So I got out of the hotel room today and I walked about 10 minutes from the Conrad Hotel over to the Indiana steam clock. I've been wanting to come here, but it's either been too cold or I've been too tired and just went to bed after I ate dinner. It's a good day to get out of the house here in Indy. Go down the river walk and just get out of the hotel room. So I'm at the Capitol Grill, which is downstairs at the Conrad Hotel. I'm going to treat myself to my once weekly steak. Sadly, I can't have my 9 glasses of wine because I have to drive tonight over there to Cincinnati. I'll be okay. I'll just have some water.